everybody. So we revised the throttle like we were talking about in the last video or clip, however I edit this, and it seems to be good. So we got a TSC door spring, and I believe that's the spring that comes on the engine stock for like the throttle lever. But she's all ready to go. We had it warming up. We did a few burnouts already. We got sitting against, I don't even know what this is, like a shop fan?
Paint booth exhaust fan.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, it's been sitting there a while.
But we're about to give her the first ride, and Landon's gonna record me in case I get hurt. Because the last revision of this thing did a backflip, a few donuts, while we were not on it, luckily.
Yeah, right over there in the gravel.
Yeah, right there.
Right where that puddle's at.
So we're gonna give her a go. So here you go, Landon.
Yep. I'm gonna hop on my four-wheeler and follow you around. Just riding the old King Quad. Died. Jumping it. Already going for the jump. Oh yeah. Oh, there goes the chain. Chain came off already. Well, there's the first break already.
Yeah.
At least it's just the chain.
She rides good.
Oh, those sprockets are pretty good lined up from what I'd say. That's a really old chain though. You might have to get a new one.
Might need some lube on it.
Yeah. Might want to oil it and then give it another test drive.
Yeah. Maybe once it stretches somewhere we can take like a half link out of it again. Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know, we'll see.
It did pretty good. You already jumped it.
Yeah, did I get in the air?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's got less torque than it used to.
Well, that's weird. We geared it down though. Well, it's got a smaller rear sprocket.
Tires. Before we had 16s.
True.
I think it might not be getting full throttle or something. I'm not sure. But I mean, it's still pretty good.
Yeah.
Brakes seem to work good.
That's good. We still haven't fixed them from leaking, but if they work, they work. Don't fix it till it's broke, so. Good enough. Better than most of the stuff we have.
Seems to be pretty good though.
I think we're gonna go lube this chain up and then we'll probably record again once we start riding it.
Yep. Okay. See you guys. Okay, so we got the chain back on. We went ahead.
Tighter.
Yeah, the sprocket was loose left and right, so we went ahead and tightened that. We adjusted the axle out, so it's got probably half an inch to an inch of play. So what it should have. And now we're putting locking collars on the jack shaft because we think it slid also. So combination of three things, it should be perfect now. I don't see any reason why we'd have an issue. Everything's lined up pretty good. And
These mosquitoes would stop.
I think she's good to go in a minute, so we'll probably have some more footage of it riding.
Yeah.
Yep. Stupid mosquitoes everywhere.